If you want to be a YouTuber or you are a content creator, posting your content on YouTube, trying to grow your channel, don't make this mistake most of people are making. Don't make this type of mistake that other people are making. It is an error for you to be posting your content on YouTube, but still you don't understand the YouTube guideline that is guiding the type of niche you are making. Maybe you are creating faceless YouTube channel. What does YouTube guideline says about faceless YouTube channels? The type of content you are creating, what rules that guides it, do you know it? If you don't know all these things, at a point in time you discover that maybe you are creating some content that will get a copyright claims or copyright strike, or that will be banned or something like that. It is very, very important for you as a new YouTuber for you to know the rules that guides YouTube. But listen to me, let me tell you this. Studying YouTube and trying to understand YouTube are two different things. You can study YouTube, but nobody understands YouTube. Nobody absolutely understands YouTube, and I can prove you that. If you check about the most successful content creators or most successful YouTubers, when you ask them about their experience about YouTube, all of them gives you their own private different opinions. But you have to remember that YouTube is one platform, YouTube is one company. So how come many people with many options about their success, how they deliver, how they conquer, how they made it, everyone with their own ways of success? But listen to me. You can study YouTube, you may not understand all. What everyone has is what we call the experience. Apart from that, no one understands YouTube. YouTube works in a different way. The more you are going in YouTube, the more you're working on YouTube, the more you're uploading your videos, you have to create a strategy that will work for you. That's how YouTube works for me. But for you to understand how YouTube works, I don't think it is possible, because no one ever did. As a new creator, you need to find out the type of niche your channel is having. What is your niche? When you discover your niche, you need to find out the rules, that YouTube guideline rules that support the kind of content you are creating. Or try to understand the rules, the guidelines that support your channel. Try to know what to do and what not to do to avoid restricting your channel, to avoid disabling your channel, to avoid having copyright claims, copyright strike. These things can demonetize your channel. These things can make you not to grow fast in YouTube. Thank you.